Welcome, friends. Today, we are doing another unboxing video. Sensational. That's right, friends. Once again, I have returned to you, this time with another unboxing video. Unfortunately, this unboxing video will be sans box, because I did not buy this retail and I did not buy this with a box, but I did get an absolute bargain on it. Bought this on Monday because I was in a bit of a sketchy mood. My mother was in hospital, nothing serious, but I was still feeling a bit anxious, as you do when you've got a parent in hospital. So I decided to relieve said tension by buying a perfume. So I had been in Harrods Beauty, which is like an offshoot of Harrods, and it's in my local mall. And I decided to go to the Guerlain boutique, where they had the new fragrances like honey tobacco. They had Herbes Troublon, Iris Terrefi, Fève Gourmand. I tried loads of them and I was like, nah, I'm not paying 400 quid for 200ml of this. It's just not worth it. You know, none of them were worth that kind of money. But one of them did catch us, and I thought, that's lovely. And if I can get that for a decent price, I'll buy that for a decent price. So I did what everyone does, and I went to eBay, and I searched it, and I found a bottle. I found a bottle of Frenchy Lavande. Frenchy Lavande. I found this for better than half price. £200 I paid for this for 200ml, unsprayed. Don't think it's a tester. Don't know what it is. Don't know where or why or how. But better than half price. I was pretty chuffed with that. It's a lot of perfume. And I think that's about what it's worth. £200 for 200ml. This is the latest incarnation of what was called La Frenchy, in the wooden framed boxes, which they've done away with. Boxes, I say, the wooden framed bottles, which they've done away with. I had a Chamade pour homme, and I had a Derby pour homme, and and I've still got an Arsène Lupin Voyou, which is just a beautiful fragrance. But I tried this. I'd never tried La Frenchy before, but I tried this there, and I thought, you know what it is? That's really nice. I thought, if I can get that cheaper, I will buy that. And so I went out and had a look, and lo and behold, there it was. And I thought, nice. That's a good price. It's a good fragrance. And the notes are lemon, bergamot, petitgrain, lemon verbena, lavender, neroli, sage, citron, tonka bean, ambergris, and vetiver. To me, I get a lot of bergamot, I get a lot of lemon verbena, I get petitgrain, I get lavender, especially in the dry down. I get vetiver, a little bit of tonka bean. It's beautiful for the late spring and summer. I think this is going to be perfect. That's just what I want this for. Just a nice, easy, breezy lemon verbena squeezy perfume. Clean, a little bit soapy, a little bit kind of woody from the vetiver and the lemon verbena. Lemon verbena of Green Irish Tweed fame. A little bit herbal, you know. I felt this was very herbal the first time I smelled it, but it's the lemon verbena that. It's so nice. For the price that I paid for it, this is perfect. Higher prices, don't do it. And so that is it, my friends. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all again soon.